Today I want to talk windshield wipers on the 2014 Chevy Volt. Now I've been buying windshield wipers only from the dealership and having them install them because I read that it's two different part numbers, they're really hard to do. You cannot get blades like at Walmart, but you can get blades that will work that are not specific for the Volt. So to remove this, we're just going to push this button. Here's the new blade that I got. It comes with an adapter that makes it work on the Volt, so I'm going to push this button. Allows me to push it forward, it comes out. Here's the adapter that makes it work on the Volt. There's a little triangle shape. You want that to go into the triangle shape of the blade. You line it up, push it forward, it snaps in place, and then this slides right in. Half the cost. This is the AC Delco beam blade 19426-431, 26 inches.